Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 moving average on Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to indicators here at the top left. Click on it, go to the search bar and type moving average. And choose this one, moving average, as you can see. And now this is our moving average, but you have to change it to a 20 moving average. So go to MA9 here, click on these three dots and click on settings. Go to input and you will see here length. Change it to 20. Okay, click on OK here. And now this is the 20 moving average. So let's say, for example, you want to change the color. Click on the three dots again, click on settings, go to style, and you will see here blue. Click on it, and you can choose any color you want. So I will choose, for example, white. As you can see, you can change also the thickness, for example, to this one. And now just click on OK. And that's it. Now this is your 20 moving average. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.